Hi, this is Coach George and I'm really excited kasi finally napanood mo na yung first video. Alam niyo po ba na dyan ako nagkaroon ng full awareness na this time around kailangan ko maka-establish ng leverage business. And right at this moment of time, because of that video, dyan ako nagkaroon ng time and financial freedom. And I'm very happy na kung ano nangyari sa akin at transformation. And definitely, mangyayari din sa'yo. Kaya pag-uusapan natin ngayon, paano mo ba gagawin ang HI and Technocrat community? Paano ka makakaposisyon at gaano ka legit yung kumpanya na papasukin mo? Kasi ako po, I'm a very wise like you. Tinignan ko talaga yung papasukin ko na negosyo. Because I don't want to engage on something na hindi legit. Kaya dito ako nag-join at inaral ko talaga to. And I am very happy to share this one to you. I'm a former employee and I've been working for 6 years. Kaya isa po ako sa mga naghanap ng opportunity online. Nung nakita ko itong opportunity na to at gaano ka-stable, gaano ka-liquid itong kumpanya. And yung track record na na-produce. And our company is Alliance in Motion Global Group of Companies. This has been in the industry for the past 2 decades. Ganun na po siya katagal. Presently, awarded as the direct selling company in Asia as well as in Africa. And for the past 2 decades, almost 6 million registered distributors worldwide and created 17,000 millionaires. Meaning to say, every single day, merong napuproduce ang kumpanya ng 2 to 3 millionaires every day. This is present in 50 different countries and 35 operationals worldwide. Ito lang sa Pinas, almost 110 business centers and 13 branches nationwide. Sa Cebu naman, meron po tayong sariling building na pinatayo mismo ng kumpanya. Imagine, ganun ka-stable and ganun kalaki, 7-story building. I am part of Technocrat community, the marketing arm of Global. Technocrat community, marami nang natulungan, marami naging successful, iba't ibang background. We have OFWs, employees, nurses, police, teachers, unemployed, and even attorneys, students, at marami pang iba. Nakabili rin sila na sarili nilang sasakyan. Marami tayong leaders dito sa Technocrat na nakabili ng kanilang mga properties because of our community. For the past 4 years, created 150 millionaires na. Imagine, hindi po tsamba, hindi po ito pagalingan. May sistema at may tools yung community kung paano i-work out yung business na to. Questions, how to start? Number 1, you need to purchase your accounts. Talking about account, meron tayong 2 division dito sa company. First division is called protection. Kung kumuha ka ng package under protection, insurance yung matatanggap mo. For insurance, our package amounting 29,990 pesos. Tatlong account na yan, tatlong branch na ng business mo. At in the event, kung gusto mo naman mag-avail, pero aabot ka pa ng 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month, bago mabuo mo yung 29,000. Good news, you can start even for the student package. Or our one account, 9,990 pesos, pwede ka nang magsimula dyan. After 2 years doing this business, eto na po yung kinita ng aking one account. Nag-accumulate na siya ng 1 million. That's roughly 41,000 per month. Ang 9,990 na one account. Bumalik sa akin is 41,000 passive income every single month. So you can really start even one account. Ano yung laman ng package? You will have a personal accident insurance at amounting to 1 million. So tatlo po yun. Hindi ka nagagastos sa hospital on the event na magkaroon ka ng minor or major accident. Kasi covered ka na ng insurance natin. Magkakaroon ka rin dito ng 7 na insurance coverage na pwede mong i-retail. Or pwede natin ma-dispose. Pwede mo ipangalan sa kamag-anak mo o kilala mo na nagmumotor. Or kakilala mo na nagtatrabaho. Para in the event na may situation na hindi inaasahan, hindi na sila maglalabas ng pera kasi covered na sila for medical expenses. Pag na-dispose po natin yung 7 na insurance, ang babalik sa'yo is around 35,448 pesos. Parang wala kang nilabas. So right now, meron ka ng lifetime na business. Pag kumuha ka naman ng package under health and wellness, ang matatanggap mo po is product freebies. So para naman po yun sa health and wellness. And our entrepreneur package amounting 18,999 pesos. Ang babalik sa iyo niya na retail value is amounting to 23,000 to 24,000. Student package naman po nito is amounting 10,500 pesos one account. Ang marireceive mo po na retail value is amounting 12,000 pesos. There are some of the products. We have our collagen soap all the way from South Korea. Our fish oil, Colidus, ang ginagawa naman nito para sa mga mahihilig kumain ng matabang pagkain. pork or mga mahilig kumain ng seafoods. Ginagawa po nito, pina-flush out niya lahat ng fats na kinakain mo. We have also si Supreme or ascorbic acid. We have also our curly leaf like thermal patch. Parang salon pass po ito, pag pagod katawan mo, yan ilalagay mo. Sino dito yung 2 hours, 3 hours na yung tulog every night, pero pagising parang pagod na pagod pa rin yung katawan. Sakit ulo, for rest your life is pampahaba naman po ito ng buhay. Ang 2 hours mo na tulog, parang 8 hours na tulog mo na. Magaan sa pakiramdam and pagising mo din as well. So ikaw ang bahala kung anong product freebies ang gusto mo. If you will go for insurance, 3 accounts, is 29,990 pesos. And our student package is 9,990. And if you will go for wellness products, our entrepreneur package is 18,990 or 10,500, one account. You can start whatever amount. Pwede ka mag-start, even one account lang. Later on, upgrade mo na lang from time to time. So your goal is to start Technocrat Community. Aside sa product freebies, meron ka pang matatanggap na dashboard. Dito ipapasok lahat ng income mo. Dito ka rin magka-monitor magkano na kinita. At dito ka rin makakapag-in-cash. Number 2, you will have undergo training. Kagandahan ng training na to, this business really designed part-timers. Step by step, nandiyan na sa FB lahat. Gawin mo na lang siya during your free time. Marami dito, yung natapos yung training, kumikita ng 30,000 up to 60,000, even part-time. Last but not the least, follow the blueprint and program. After training na po ito, ibibigay kung ano yung gagawin step by step. I am happy na na-engage ako sa Technocrat community. I've been working for 6 years, earning 15 to 20,000 per month. Nung nakita ko ang Technocrat community, started with one account. Later on, nag-upgrade from time to time. After 12 months, I was able to earn my first million. And I was able to buy my first car. Dati, sumasahod lang ako ng 15 to 20,000 per month. But right now, kumikita na ng 100,000 kada buwan. Very grateful with this community and company kung nasaan man po ako ngayon. Meron ako mga ginagay dito doing part-time. Most of them, OFWs, employee, unemployed, for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, even 20 years na po. Right now, successful dito sa business doing part-time dito sa Technocrat. Kung nagawa ng mga ito, definitely magagawa mo rin at alam ko na kayang-kaya mo rin. And I am happy na may pakita sa'yo gaano kaganda ang Technocrat community. And alam kong excited ka gawin yung community. Again, this is George Del Barrio. See you sa Technocrat community.